Hi everybody, I'm so excited to film this video because I've been thinking about this ever since I started my YouTube channel. So I wanted to start this series where I do food hacks and stuff for you guys because I do love cooking, and I thought maybe we could just like every Friday or something. We'll do something like that, and I'll mess up a premiere on this so you guys can watch this. Hopefully it works for Friday, but I don't know. So yeah. So the first hat, and I want you to not comment, but there is a little thing on my thing where it's like called discussion. I did, and you just comment on there. If it does not work, DM me on Instagram. It will be in the links in the description. But start this little cool thing I really want to do. I'm gonna make eggs in the microwave. So stay tuned. Let me just pause this. The things that you will need is a bowl, a little spoon or fork. I have both in one, so and you have to also grab an egg. So I'm gonna be right here and grab a beautiful egg. Next video, I think I'm gonna be doing tomorrow with Talia, which is my bestie, and I think that video I'm gonna do with her will be fun because we're gonna do a ramen in the microwave, which tastes amazing, but with some other stuff with it. Oh crap! I don't know if I did it wrong. I'm not gonna be able to eat this because I don't want to eat it. Actually, I might have to. So, is that a piece of egg crackle? Then you just mix it. I don't know how I'm going to show you guys this, but it's a little too shiny. It looks so white. My pal's not that white. It's like a pastel yellow. It just, my lighting looks so white in the camera, so sorry about that. Okay. When I'm done with that, I'm gonna go put this in the microwave for 2 minutes because, no, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Because it will get puffy and nice. Okay, so when I'm waiting for that, I will tell you what you need after. You will need salt. Now, this is an option, but I would definitely get that because it will taste amazing. Don't add too much because once I might add a lot more than I need to. So yeah, 1 sec. It is almost done, but I'm gonna get myself a little drink. Yeah. I do like watermelon. I'm just gonna grab a quick water. Oh my god, it smells like eggs. Eggs do not smell good to me. Enjoy me doing a TikTok dance. What's up, Shay? Oh, never mind. Ooh. Not that hot. Oh my god. It worked just how I needed it to work. It's an egg. Oh my god, it looks so good. It's just a little bit more puffier than the actual egg, so don't really like puffy eggs. I wouldn't try this hack because it will be much puffier than usual. I do like to put this on like a sandwich or something because it does taste much better, but it is 12:09 at night and at midnight, so you know it's midnight, so I can't really make me a great meal. I'm just gonna eat really quickly, but I'm gonna like move it around and I'm gonna tell you what I add next. 1 sec. A little interruption by my dad, but me and my dad are gonna make a lot of videos together, hopefully in the future. So I don't really know how to show you guys this without. It's like crumbled eggs. Ugh, I hate crumbled eggs, but you see, it worked pretty well. Now, I recommend adding 2 eggs, but I only have 1. Then I add the littlest bit of salt. The more you add, the more it's going to be salty, and then you're not going to enjoy it. Did I eat anything? I added way too much, and now it's going to be salty as heck. I hate myself for this. Okay. Oh, it's going to be terrible now. Oh. Why? So basically, I just made it really salty. That's good. Oh, I hate the salt. Oh, don't listen to what I just said. Don't listen to what I just did. I add way too much salt. You have to add like the littlest bit. It might not look that much, but trust me, it'll taste enough. That's the taste out there. Let's see. Guess which one? The discussion thingy. We might are trying to figure out how to turn my comments on. Oh, I hate that. My new editor, hopefully they will agree to edit for me. Hi, it's Alyssa. Hopefully she can edit for me. Haven't asked her yet. Okay, I'm not interested. This is I'll take a little bit though. So if I don't finish it, I put it in the fridge. And make you watch me go to the fridge and put this away. It's over here. Open it and then I'll put it right down here. Well, not in that way, but okay. There we go. Okay. That's what I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I really want to do this like local trend that I'm doing, like not trend, but I want it to be a trend now. I'm just gonna do this, and if you want, just DM me or use a little discussion thing on my YouTube. So tell me what you want. What kind of videos you want me to do? And then maybe I'll do some TikTok food hacks. Yeah. Alright guys, I love you guys so much. I will be posting a ramen video tomorrow, like today night, because it's already midnight. So I'll be posting it to really late at night tonight with Talia at maybe 8 or 7. And I will show you our secret hacks. Now, it's not going to be any ramen. It will be involving, but in her kitchen. But we're going to add some secret ingredients that make it taste much better. So stay tuned for that. See you guys. Bye!